one more thing that I feel like I should go through. You might not need this one. This one could be considered optional. But it's solving a polynomial function. That's where you find the solutions that work for x to make the equation true. Now the nice thing is that the solutions, if you take your equation and set it equal to 0, the solutions are the zeros. If the equation equals 0. Okay? So just using the same stuff we've been doing this whole section, let's solve, and I don't want it to be y equals, I want it to be an equation I can solve, which doesn't have y in it, just x and a number to solve for x. So x to the fourth minus 2x third minus 8x squared plus 10x plus 15 equals 0. Okay, so to solve this, first of all, you might use your graphing calculator to save you some time to find where the zeros might be. Then you do your potential rational zeros. So that's where we do p over q. So factors of p, so 15, 5, 3, 1 over q, factors of q is just 1, that's convenient. Okay, then we can start trying to plug these in. What should we use? I haven't done this problem, so I don't know what to use. Bring down the 1, let's try 3, see how it goes. -5, ooh, that one worked. Okay, so there's one of our solutions, is 3. Okay, now we can try something else. I'm going to try 1. Or maybe I should do a -1, I don't know. Maybe I should graph this and see where they are. Okay, so we have x to the fourth, so I'm going to just change our previous problem, take that out, minus 2 x to the third minus 8 x squared plus 10x plus 15. My window might not be big enough this time. Oh, look, there's one at -1, and then there's one at a fraction right there. Okay, so let's try -1. So bring down the 1. 1 times -1. Oh, I forgot to put my numbers. And wait, shouldn't I use the numbers from my last problem so that it's shorter? That will be nice. So I'm just going to use this stuff and keep going. Okay, so 1 times -1 is -1, and this was a 1. I just mucked it up. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times -1 is 0. That's a -5, so that's a +5, so there's a 0. Okay, so there's another solution. Alright, now we take what's left, which is an x squared minus 5. Set that equal to 0, so that x squared equals 5. So x equals plus or minus the square root of 5, which explains why on our graph we have kind of a weird answer right there. It must be the square root of 5. Guess what our solutions are? X equals plus or minus 5, x equals 3, and x equals -1. So there are 4 solutions to this degree 4 problem. It's possible that there might be less than that if some of the solutions are imaginary. We're talking about that next.